Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Young Garage, and today we are going to review this beast, WagonR 2021. This is the VXI model 1 liter petrol engine. When you come to the front of this car, you see halogen headlamps, indicator and no fog lamps are here in the VXI variant. And you also get the Maruti family grille with chrome treatment.
One eternity later.
So this is the 1 liter petrol engine and you get no insulation. Wiper washers placed here are very practical. Here you see, you don't get the indicators on the ORVM. Here you get tire of size 165/70 R14 with wheel cap, and even you don't get alloys in the top model. When you come to the rear, you see long tail lights, a chrome strip which has written WagonR. In the VXI variant, you get the parcel tray and the massive size boot of 341 liter, which is the biggest in this segment. Although the loading lip is too high, but no problem. You get reflectors on the side and 2 parking sensors in the VXI model. When you see the driver's side door, you see all 4 power windows, lock and unlock button and lock and unlock button for the mirrors, and adjustable ORVMs from inside, and a bottle holder and some storage space to keep stuff, and the speaker is situated here. Here in the steering, you don't get any steering mounted controls, and the horn is decent enough. This steering can only be adjusted for height, but not for reach. Here in the VXI variant, in the instrument cluster, you only get the speedometer and MID. Here in the VXI model, you don't get a touch screen, you get a normal stereo. You get manually adjustable AC, you get a 12-volt charging socket and some storage to keep stuff, and the gear lever is also situated here. Here you get the handbrake, some space to keep stuff, and a bottle holder too. Here you get the light and the manually adjustable mirror, which does not have a function of auto dim. Seats here are decently comfortable, but the headrest is not adjustable, and these seat covers are aftermarket fitment. It gets fabric seats. You can adjust the seat by reclining it or moving it further, but you cannot adjust the seat height. Here in the sun visor, you get a ticket holder, and in the second co-passenger sun visor, you get a vanity mirror. Glove box here is decently big enough. Here in the rear door, you get a bottle holder and the power window switch. And here it's a dummy speaker. You don't get speaker in VXI model. You get only front speakers. This seat is pushed to till the end, and then also I have very good knee room, and headroom is also ample enough, and under thigh support is decent enough for a height of 5.3 feet. Here in the rear seat you get 2 fixed headrests, no armrest, and the floor is almost flat, so maybe 3 people be comfortable. These seats can be folded in the format of 60/40.